The bubble bob. Let me tell you, this isn't just a haircut, it's a movement. People are obsessed with it right now because it hits that perfect balance. It's soft, it's rounded, it's youthful, but it's still so polished. And the crazy part, it's not actually new. This cut has roots that go way back, first popping up in fashion editorials in the 60s. Designers back then were experimenting with shapes that framed the face, gave volume without a ton of layers, and had this soft, rounded aesthetic. It was playful, it was elegant, and totally modern for its time. But for some reason, it just never went mainstream. Fast forward to now, and suddenly, everyone is talking about it. Social media completely blew it up. You see celebrities, influencers, and top stylists posting their own takes on it. The bubble bob became the bob that people screenshot, pin, and bring straight to their stylist. It's the must-have cut. So what exactly is it? Imagine a classic bob, but then add a ton of softness, rounded edges, a little bit of lift at the crown, and beautiful volume at the sides. There's a subtle bevel at the ends, absolutely no harsh lines, and this bubble shape that almost floats around your head. It's effortless, it's cute but still sophisticated. You don't look like you tried too hard. It's the bob that says, I woke up like this, but in a really good, super stylish way. It's got that quiet luxury vibe that everyone's after. And here's the best part. It works on almost everyone. Seriously, if you have a round face, it adds structure. For square faces, it softens the edges beautifully. Oval faces, it's pure perfection. And if you have a heart-shaped face, it balances your forehead and jawline. Even longer faces can pull this off if you add the right kind of bangs. What about hair type? If you have fine hair, you get instant, believable volume. For straight hair, it's incredibly easy to maintain. If your hair is wavy, it looks gorgeous with just a soft, natural bend. And for those with thick hair, all you need is a little debulking from your stylist. This cut doesn't fight your hair. It works with it enhancing what you already have. Now, when you go to your stylist, there are two main ways to cut the bubble bob. The first is the blunt bubble bob. This version has clean ends with a very soft bevel. It looks incredibly polished, editorial, and expensive. It's very chic. The other option is the rounded bubble bob. This one has more internal layering, which gives it that extra fluff, height, and bounce. It's a little more playful and lived in. Both look amazing. The main difference really comes down to styling and your hair's natural texture. Styling this cut is actually pretty simple if you know the secret. You don't really need a flat iron unless you're just refining the very ends. Your best friends are a round brush and a blow dryer. Use a tiny bit of mousse for hold, medium heat, and always finish with a cool shot to set the shape. A light soft hold hairspray is all you need at the end. But the real trick is in the direction of your blow dry. This is where the magic happens. You want to lift the roots of the crown to get that volume. Then, as you dry the mid-lengths, pull the brush forward, towards your face, instead of just pulling it straight down. Over-direct the front sections, pulling them across your face as you dry. This is what creates that signature bubble shape. It's not about piling on product. It's all about the technique. I see people make mistakes with this cut all the time, and it's a shame because it's so beautiful when it's done right. You'll see it cut too short, with too many choppy layers, or flat-ironed completely straight. Sometimes the ends are too heavy, or they skip the bevel altogether. If it looks like a Lego wig, it is not a bubble bob. You have to respect the shape. It's soft, but it's also structured. It's a bob, but it has a distinct personality. Maintenance for this cut is simple but absolutely crucial. You'll want to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain that perfect roundness. If you let the bevel at the ends grow out, the whole shape just collapses. This cut really deserves that little bit of attention to keep it looking fresh, bouncy, and alive. Price-wise, you should expect to pay a little more than you would for a standard bob, and that's because this cut is all about precision. When you talk to your stylist, ask for soft bevels, a rounded shape, internal weight removal, and lots of movement. If you want a professional blow wave and styling included, be sure to add that in. But trust me, the investment is worth it. This cut makes your hair look expensive, youthful, and ready for its close-up. Let me break down the before and after for you. Before, you might have flat, long, maybe heavy hair that kind of drags your face down. It feels a bit lifeless. After the bubble bob, you get immediate lift. You get a beautiful, rounded shape that contours your jawline. It brings out your cheekbones and gives you this incredible, youthful glow. And that is exactly why this bob is trending. It can take years off your look without you even trying. It's like an instant confidence boost. I recommend the bubble bob because it's so versatile, incredibly flattering, and feels very modern right now. It's the kind of cut that photographs beautifully from every angle. It works on almost everyone, and it gives you that coveted volume without all the fuss of heavy layers. It's playful but polished, effortless but so impactful. For the next year, this is the bob you are going to see everywhere, and it's the one you'll want to try if you haven't already. So whether you go for the blunt version or the rounded one, whether you have thick hair or fine hair, This cut gives you a stylish edge while keeping everything soft and approachable. The bubble bob isn't just a haircut, it really is a statement. It says, you know style, but you don't need to overcomplicate it to look fantastic. And if you're sitting there thinking, can I really pull this off? The answer is yes, you absolutely can. Just respect the shape, follow the styling and direction tips, keep it maintained, and enjoy the new you. If you're thinking about trying the bubble bob, don't wait. Book your stylist, show them some reference photos of the shape, and get ready for a total transformation. And if you want more tips, insider tricks, and haircuts that actually work in real life, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below with your hair type, and I'll do my best to guide you personally on the best way to get your bubble bob looking absolutely flawless. Thanks for watching.